Hello friends, in this particular video I am going to talk about Angular guard. What is the guards in Angular and what is the CanActivate. So all this type of thing, it is very common, you have seen for the authentication. So I am going to talk about, so definitely this will boost your knowledge. So make sure that please watch the video till the end so that you will get detailed explanation and everything clearly about the route, about the guards and CanActivate. So let's jump to the code and try to understand all these things. Okay, so for your information, I have, you can see that started the server, Node.js server. It is running in the port 9000. So I have started so that no much time will consume, and I also started the server for this Angular. Okay, so for your example here, uh, for generating a guard, Angular, you can generate through the ng-cli. Otherwise you can also create manually, but manual method will be very complex and you need to invest more time to write each and everything. So I will recommend to use the CLI to generate that particular basic skeleton, basic codes for the guard. However, beginner can type first time, but if you already have a knowledge a little bit about the code, then I hope that you can utilize this type of feature provided by the Angular out of the box. So here you need to run that particular command. So ng generate, as you know that if you want to generate the component, you should need to write, component. For the services, need to write services. For the interceptor, you need to write interceptor. uh, for the module, you need to write module. In a similar way, for the guards, you need to write the guards. And here, since I am generating in the guards 6 folder, that's why guard I have written, and slash, let's say abc1. So this is the basically name of the guard. So one file will get generated, but before generating a file, this will ask some couple of questions. These questions you need to provide, because here you can see that Angular want to know that for which purpose you want to generate a guard. So you need to specify. So can activate, can activate child, can deactivate, can load, like that. So you need to specify that you want to generate the guard for the can activate. Then Angular will generate the basic skeleton of your code for the can activate of the guard. So just click, and here you can see that abc1 guard is generated. If you will go in the guards folder, so let's go, here is the guard folder, and you can see that abc1 guard.cs is got generated. Let's look at the code, what is there in this code. So you can notice here that some import method are there, means some library, something is imported which is required for the guard. So no need to do anything. This is the basic generated code by the Angular CLI. You no need to do anything. Whatever it is used, which need to be imported, and most of are from the Angular route. Okay, and most important thing here is that can activate. As you can see, this method is very important here. This method is here returning the true. It means if it is true, then that particular route, means you are using this guard for the routing, will be activated. Otherwise it will not activated. So based on that it will return. So here the true means activated and the false means not activated. Now let's go to the routing so that you can understand clearly. So let's go to the, not this routing, you need to go to the this one, which is the app routing module.ts. So here you can notice that here if you will write admin, means route will be the admin, then auth guard is here being utilizing, you can see. So it means that if user is authenticated, then admin route can able to visit, otherwise they cannot visit. That's why this is here. So this is the can activate. Basically it comes from the router routing, and look at this path. If nothing is there, then this only we visit, user can visit if they are not logged in, means before login. That's why we have given the name before login guard. So name, this name you need to provide a name such a way that other developer in your team able to understand the purpose behind that particular guards or any name or variable. So this is in this case the guard. So you can see that this is guard for if user is not logged in, then can able to visit this route, otherwise they cannot able to visit this route. Let's move to the uh, auth guard first. So in the auth guard, you can notice that here some condition are there. Based on the condition, we are returning true or false. So here we have utilizing the services, we have injected the services, and with their object we are checking that user is logged in or not. If logged in, then you need to allow that particular route, otherwise you no need to allow, and you need to redirect to the login page. So this code is basically, I hope that you are understanding. This is a very basic code, and definitely you will understand this code. So if in case you are unable to understand, then definitely you can reach out to me, and I will provide you the personal training on Angular, and I will talk about each and everything which is required for the big enterprise project, where you can utilize that concept, tips and tricks to in a big project in your company. Definitely you will able to improve your knowledge, and very easily you can become expert in the Angular. So learning speed will be fast, because I will provide you the better guidance and the mentorship with the personal training. Okay, so this is called this guard is all about this purpose. Let's go to the before login guards. So here this is just the opposite of the auth guard. Here we are checking that user is logged in or not. If user is not logged in, then we are providing here the true. It means login page can able to visit, but cannot be able to visit login page cannot able to visit because user is already logged in. And if not, then we are redirecting to admin and returning false. So let's uh, uh, do these things in a browser. So here this is the browser basically, and let's try to understand from here. So just I am refreshing once again, otherwise however no need to refresh it, but I have refreshed because of some habits, and I am providing some details and login. So you can see that after the login we have register and set some we have already did set something in the local storage. You can see like token user is login like that. Okay, so now you will notice if I will remove this one, if admin will I will remove and enter, I am unable to visit the login page once, right? It is redirecting to the again admin. Why? Because we have written certain condition, and based on the condition it is doing. It means if user is logged out or not logged in, then in that case user can able to visit the root domain, because here it is a null. If you will go in the auth route, then here it is null, and only people will able to visit if user is logged out or not logged in. So it means here this is a basically lazy loading here. So another module are there, and on that particular module another routing are there. Based on that it is working. So if you will go in the auth route.module, so here you can see it is for the login component, another one is for sign up component. I have already discussed, I hope. So you can, if you are watching the video from the beginning, then definitely you will able to understand, and I think you will able to get it what it means. Okay, so you can see that it is absolutely working fine. Okay, let's log out it. So after login, after logged out, user cannot able to visit this admin route. So let's log out. Since there are no any button or feature in this DOM, so that's why we need to log out forcefully from the local storage. So what we will do, just will clear all these things. Right now, if I will refresh this page, then it will redirect to the root domain, it means login page. If I will forcefully type here the /admin, then again it is redirecting to the, you can see login page, because of this guards, and guards are returning true or false based on this particular condition, and based on that this is working. So I hope that you understand about the Angular guards, and if you have any doubt related to this, then definitely comment in the YouTube comment section, or you can also reach out to me if you need any a mentorship or personal training from me. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.